It's fun to be a travel vlogger on YouTube, living life like every day's a honeymoon, seeing the world from Peru to Malibu. It's fun to be a travel vlogger on YouTube. It's fun to be a travel vlogger on YouTube, spending all day walking somebody else's shoes. Everything I see is everything I get to choose. It's fun to be a travel vlogger on YouTube. Wow, the world is wide. You can see it all you gotta do is press start. It's fun to be a travel vlogger on YouTube. Everyone is thinking you can do it too, seeing everything the way you want to. It's fun to be a travel vlogger on YouTube. It's fun to be a travel vlogger on YouTube, seeing life from a different point of view, running around looking like a kangaroo. It's fun to be a travel vlogger on YouTube. It's fun to be a travel vlogger on YouTube. Like, share, subscribe, and comment too. He tries things, learns things, and shows you. So join his journey and follow the TMax on YouTube. TMax is a travel vlogger on YouTube. Like, share, subscribe, and comment too. He tries things, learns things, and shows you. So join his journey and follow the TMax on YouTube. Subscribe to the TMax. Smash the like for the TMax. Leave a comment for the TMax. Share this video from the TMax. TMax is a travel vlogger on YouTube. Like, share, subscribe, and comment too. He tries things, learns things, and shows you. So join his journey and follow the TMax on YouTube. TMax is a travel vlogger on YouTube. Like, share, subscribe, and comment too. He tries things, learns things, and shows you. So join his journey and follow the TMax on YouTube. Subscribe to the TMax. Smash the like for the TMax. Leave a comment for the TMax. Share this video from the TMax. It's fun to be a travel TMax on YouTube. The TMax on YouTube. It's fun to be a travel TMax on YouTube. Share this video too. It's fun to be a travel TMax in the studio. Yeah. It's fun to be a travel TMax on YouTube. Yeah. Subscribe to the TMax. Smash the like for the TMax. Leave a comment for the TMax. Share this video from the TMax. It's fun to be a travel vlogger on YouTube. It's fun to be a travel vlogger on YouTube. It's fun to be a travel. Subscribe to this YouTube. It's fun to be a travel. Subscribe to the TMax. Smash the like for the TMax. It's fun to be a travel. Leave a comment for the TMax. Share this video from the TMax. Subscribe to the TMax. Subscribe to the TMax. It's fun to be a travel. Smash the like for the TMax. Subscribe to the TMax. Comment for the TMax. It's fun to be a travel. Share this video from the Teatro. every frame's new. The canary sun, a golden hue. Up in the clouds, dreams come